Fun fact, this is a Walmart. I got robbed right there inside that little area. So, fun times. Because here's the plan. It's like 1 o'clock, right? Or 1:30. I want to hike around 2 o'clock. At least spend an hour hiking. So then by around 3:30, we can go ahead and set up camp and get everything situated. At least that's my idea in my head, but we'll see how it goes. I think I found the place. We're here. So I'm in the wrong site. All right, give me a second here. I think I found it. I think I finally found it. Let's see. Is that this lake is so big and has so many different entrances? Closed for winter? No, it's not. Because this area is closed, no trespassing, authorized only. What? How did I end up at another completely different campsite and I'm still not at the one I'm supposed to be? What?
Okay. This goes on the mirror of your vehicle with the number facing out. We'll get you in and out of the car.
Okay.
You got an emergency number on the back for the ranger on duty if you have any.
We did it, boys. We finally got it. It's like Silent Hill in here. Like they gave me 1110 C5. There we go. And Lisa's just like, what the heck is going on? Jesus. Are you okay? Oh no. The lens got scratched. Oh jeez. Alright, I do have an extra set of lens because it's just a cover, so I think I have some at home. Alright, so we're pretty much done. We got the front covered. But yeah, here's basically the whole bed. Fits perfectly. Everything is looking good. I'm leaving out her little thing to dry since she was wet and she was in there. I actually have this. So this is so we can chill without getting the bed dirty, and then I'll wipe her down one more time. And then I can take it off and we can sleep in the bed. But yeah, this came in clutch. Alright, we're gonna go explore where the bathroom's at. If I read the map correctly, it should just be in that center area where the car is passing. This is definitely where the bathrooms are. We're a good walking distance. And this is how loud it is on camp mode. It might sound loud, but it really isn't that loud. But yeah, I left a bunch of blankets out there that are wet, so hopefully they dry. That's the only thing that I left outside. Everything else I packed inside, just in case. I mean, I doubt anyone's gonna steal anything, but you never know. Let me see what I look like. Do I look like a crazy person? I do. Yo, we car camping in his hoe. We are car camping. I love it. Look, Lisa, we're car camping. We're car camping. And I think she's more curious on what's going on in the outdoors. It's so noisy. Oh, good. Oh. There we go. Okay. Hey. There's a daddy long legs. There's showers in there too. There she is. Yeah, I think she needs to pee. Alright, so Lisa has been staring at the window like for the last 20-30 minutes. So I rolled down the window and I'm like, Lisa, there's nothing to do. And all of a sudden, like, I heard like a couple twigs snap and I'm just like, oh shit. So I roll up the window. I'm pretty sure it's like a deer or a squirrel or something. Alright, it's officially a good morning. It is like 10 a.m. We slept in. We definitely slept in. It is really nice out. So I've learned that this side is more comfortable because my seat is back all the way, so I have this to support me. I originally slept on this side because my neighbors were being like, not noisy, but like always putting their lights on. And so I slept on this side to face this way. But when I woke up the first time, I was a little sore. It's because I had a huge gap, so my head was like floating on like no support whatsoever. Alright, update. Everything's packed. Got all my electronics. Got Lisa's bag. That's pretty much it. Everything's back to normal. Just gotta get Lisa in here, and then we're probably gonna head out. Here's what I look like surviving the camping trip. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. I actually really liked it. I definitely want some privacy curtains. Yeah, I mean, other than that, it's a really quiet, chill spot. Definitely want to come back. Maybe next month or maybe in 2 months. It'll be kind of cool to come here like when it's snowing. I don't know if they'll be open though, but it would be really dope to come here when it's snowing. Alright, we're ending this video the most North Carolinian way we can with some Bojangles.